we back up a little bit, the story for our team was running our own race. And we went into that mantra watching Noah Lyles compete in the Olympics, and how at every stage of the race he was behind, but he was dedicated, as the commentators say, to running his style of race, that he is a runner that gets greater later. And the small thing at the end, where so many of them crossed the line at the same time, the one thing that won for him was what he was conditioned to have discipline to do every time, to finish with his chest. So I say that, and I digress to say that last year, you know, we suffered some rejection in the tournament, to say the least. I won't go into details, but most people know that it wasn't the outcome that we wanted. And we spent our whole summer running our race, from getting out of the blocks to getting to the point where you're standing up, to the power of the race, to finishing strong, and then to getting to the end, where for us was getting back to that moment where we went from rejection the year before to redemption.
But